do you want to be when you grow up? I remember getting this question asked as a kid and having no real clue how to answer it. When I was really young, I was as likely to say an artist and a dentist as I was to say that I wanted to be Beyonce when I grew up. I think for most kids, there's a natural corralling process that happens. The kids who want to be astronauts get funneled into maybe engineering paths, and the kids who wanted to be Beyonce maybe get funneled into communications. This careful dance between encouraging your child's natural interests and maybe more practical career options for them was something that I generally got to skip. Now, the thing with being an artist is that there's this trope about being a starving artist. And when you're born into the lowest rung of society, below the poverty line, the weird thing is the jobs that I naturally would have statistically flowed into were not the kind of jobs that our parents openly talked about at the dinner table. That is to say, the corralling process from astronaut and artist to factory worker was a little less savory. That was until I got a running scholarship to a university, and now the general vague encouragement about making it out turned to a very pointed conversation about what I was going to do with my degree. I'm not gonna lie, I think it was the delusion I was allowed to have all the way up until basically my 20s that enabled me to think that being an artist was a real possibility. And while I owe the vast majority of my ability to be a full-time artist to just dumb luck and privilege, the optimist in me sees the silver lining of just being wildly delusional.